Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a little program that pings websites. But before you do that, you're going to have to go to pip and install this particular module called Python Ping. So you can do that in pip. Okay, let's get started and create the first function here. I'm going to call it ping website. Okay, we're going to put an error handler in it as well, so we start off with try to catch any errors. And we're going to create URL and we're going to assign that to input to get user input in here, and we tell the user we want the domain here of the site that they want to ping. That's going to start with www dot there. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to create a little variable here called response, assign it to ping and the URL that we've typed in there, and we're going to do count here 1 second. Then we're going to print out the response to the user. We're going to use f-string to format the string, so that's going to be f, and then we're going to do URL, then a little message to the user. If we've been successful, we'll say responded. Okay, and we put the second part of this error handler, except, and then we can print the error message if we get an error using f-string again, URL, and then we say a simple message, didn't, let's say no response. Okay, so now all we have to do is to call our function ping website, save it, and let's run it. So I'm going to ping a website. Just increase this a little bit. I'm just going to type in a website here, www.dogs.com. So that responded. Okay, let's try it with another domain, one that doesn't exist. So www dot, and then we'll just do some random rubbish here, .com. Hit enter, no response. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope that was useful to you, and remember to make sure that you hit that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.